Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make Mars bases, space bases for your Wargaming miniatures. So let's go and get it done. So you're going to want Vallejo diorama effect stones and then some AK rough mix. You get a big tub and it's cheaper than using texture paint from a small GW tub. So you want to apply this on your base. I often do 2 layers, I spread it out evenly, and then I do some on top for like kind of rocky texture feel, and that kind of helps add a bit of depth to the base so it's not just flat. And then I sprinkle on some of the Vallejo stones just on top like this, and then I give it a shake, and then if any come off it's not end of the world, but if you put on quite a bit they should stay on. And then we're going to prime it, so I just prime it red, and then I kind of do a grey kind of over prime with grey sear, and then that first red was Memphis and red, but as I said, any primers are do. So there you've got the base all primed, and now we're going to use that Vallejo pigments powder, burnt Sahara I believe, and then I put it in my kind of like pigment container, and then I wore it down like 3 kind of drops of brush water to the pigment, and then I kind of get it like a bit thick and watery but not too gloopy, if that makes sense. You can kind of figure out as you go. If you want it a lot darker, then of course you apply more. I take it off in layers, so after that first layer is nearly dry I use like a makeup sponge to take quite a bit off, and then I leave some in the recesses and the nooks and stuff, and then I apply another coat, and then I take it off the second time with a bit of tissue, and then sometimes depending on the size of the base, if it needs it, I'll apply one more coat and I won't take as much off on the third time, but it varies depending on your pigment mix. If you make it too watery you may need to apply more layers. If it's super thick and a bit gloopy you may not need as much, but this kind of sinks in then to that colour and it adds like a bit of depth to the base and it's not all just one colour. Then after that you apply your pigments. It gets quite messy, so try to have like a cover area so you don't get pigments all over the floor, your carpet, your hands. Wear gloves, whatever you do, but I'm a messy pup so I just apply it on. I kind of apply some, leave it, apply a bit more, and then if you want you can add grass tufts. I used these blue ones, I literally have them in front of me. Gamer's Grass Alien Blue. I think it really contrasts well with that kind of Mars base colour and it pops. And here's just a weird boy to show off that pigment. So hopefully that tutorial was somewhat helpful. If it was, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share. Want to see some other bases? I've done a bunch in the past you can check out on my channel. Anyway, I've been Alex, and keep it easy in life and hobby.